Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find out the SSID on your Android phone. Please friends, subscribe to this channel. Also don't forget to put your likes under the video and write comments. So friends, let us get started with you. And in order to find out your SSID on your Android, first of all, please swipe from the right side from top to bottom to click on the gear. This will take you to the settings. In settings, you'll need to either find the Wi-Fi option, like I did, or connectivity. And when you go to the communication option, there will be Wi-Fi. Then you'll have a list of all the Wi-Fi networks, like the one near you or the one you've connected to before. And at the top will be the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. Now friends, click either on the name of the Wi-Fi or on the gear that will be next to the Wi-Fi you are connected to. And at the top you'll find the name of your Wi-Fi. This is essentially the SSID, the identifier on your Android phone. Because it's kind of synonymous from word to Wi-Fi name, so it's very easy to find. That's the quick way, friends, you can easily find out your SSID on your Android phone. I hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.